What if I told you that a simple morning drink could be the key to cleaner arteries and a healthier heart after 60? Meet Margaret, a 67-year-old grandmother from Texas, who was told by her doctor that her arteries were showing signs of dangerous plaque buildup. Instead of accepting this as inevitable aging, she discovered a powerful morning ritual that changed everything. Within months, her blood pressure dropped, her energy increased, and her follow-up tests showed remarkable improvement in her cardiovascular health. The secret wasn't expensive medications or complicated procedures. It was a simple drink made from 5 natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Before we start, hit that like button if you're concerned about your heart health after 60. Subscribe for more natural health solutions and share this with someone who needs to know about this. Tell me in the comments which of these ingredients you already use and how old you are. I read every comment and love hearing from you. Now, let's discover this life-changing morning drink. The problem: why arteries get clogged. After 60, as we age, our arteries naturally lose some of their flexibility and strength. But what makes this worse is the gradual buildup of plaque along the arterial walls. This plaque consists of cholesterol, fatty substances, cellular waste, calcium, and fibrin, a clotting material in the blood. Over time, this buildup narrows the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow freely to vital organs like the heart and brain. The concerning reality is that after age 60, this process accelerates. Years of dietary choices, stress, reduced physical activity, and natural aging combine to create the perfect storm for cardiovascular problems. Many people assume chest pain or shortness of breath are the first warning signs, but arterial problems often develop silently for decades before symptoms appear. Traditional medicine focuses heavily on managing these conditions with medications like statins, blood pressure drugs, and blood thinners. While these can be necessary and life-saving, there's growing research showing that certain natural compounds can support arterial health and even help reduce existing plaque buildup when combined with proper medical care. The science behind natural artery cleansing. Recent studies have shown that specific natural compounds can help improve arterial health through several mechanisms. Some work by reducing inflammation in blood vessel walls. Others help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol that makes it stick to arterial walls. And some improve the flexibility and function of blood vessels themselves. Research, published in cardiovascular journals, has demonstrated that certain foods and compounds can actually help reverse some arterial damage when used consistently over time. The key is understanding which compounds have the strongest scientific backing and how to combine them for maximum benefit. The Morning Artery Cleansing Drink Recipe. The powerful morning drink I'm about to share combines 5 scientifically backed ingredients that work together to support arterial health. Each ingredient has been chosen for its specific cardiovascular benefits and proven track record in clinical studies. Here's what you need for this morning artery cleansing drink. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. 1 fresh clove of garlic. Crushed juice from 1/4 to 1/2 of a fresh lemon. A small pinch of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey. The preparation is simple but important. First, crush your garlic clove and let it sit for exactly 10 minutes. This waiting period is crucial because it allows the garlic to produce allicin, its most potent heart-protective compound. While the garlic is resting, squeeze your fresh lemon juice and measure out your other ingredients. After the 10 minutes, combine all ingredients in a small glass. Stir well and drink it immediately on an empty stomach, preferably 30 minutes before breakfast. The taste might take some getting used to, but the health benefits make it worthwhile. The science behind each ingredient. Extra virgin olive oil serves as the foundation of this drink. Unlike processed oils, extra virgin olive oil contains powerful antioxidants called polyphenols that protect against arterial inflammation. Studies have shown that people who consume olive oil regularly have lower rates of heart disease and better arterial function. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help reduce harmful LDL cholesterol while maintaining beneficial HDL cholesterol levels. Garlic is perhaps the most researched ingredient for cardiovascular health. When crushed, garlic produces allicin, a sulfur compound that has been shown to reduce blood pressure, prevent arterial hardening, and even help dissolve existing plaque deposits. Multiple clinical trials have demonstrated that regular garlic consumption can reduce arterial plaque by up to 15% over time. Fresh lemon juice provides vitamin C and citrus flavonoids that strengthen blood vessel walls and prevent cholesterol oxidation. The citric acid in lemons also helps break down calcium deposits that can contribute to arterial hardening. Additionally, lemons support liver function, helping the body process and eliminate excess cholesterol more effectively. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that improves circulation by causing blood vessels to dilate. This increased blood flow helps deliver nutrients to arterial walls while washing away inflammatory compounds. Studies have shown that capsaicin can help reduce arterial plaque buildup and improve overall cardiovascular function. Raw honey provides more than sweetness to balance the strong flavors. Unprocessed honey contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health. Unlike processed sugars that can contribute to arterial damage, raw honey has been shown to improve cholesterol profiles and reduce cardiovascular risk factors. Real results. Success stories. Let me share another success story. James, a 73-year-old retired teacher, had been struggling with high blood pressure and early signs of arterial blockage. His doctor had started discussing surgical interventions when James decided to try this morning drink along with other lifestyle changes. After 6 months of consistency, his blood pressure readings improved significantly, and follow-up tests showed reduced arterial inflammation. Similarly, Dorothy, age 69, noticed that climbing stairs had become increasingly difficult due to poor circulation. After 3 months of drinking this mixture every morning, she reported feeling more energetic and able to walk longer distances without experiencing chest tightness or shortness of breath. These stories aren't unusual. When natural compounds are used consistently and combined with proper medical care, the results can be remarkable. The key is understanding that this isn't a quick fix, but rather a long-term investment in arterial health. Additional heart-healthy morning drinks. While the 5-ingredient drink I've shared is incredibly powerful, there are other natural beverages that can also support arterial health when rotated into your routine. Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect arterial walls from damage and help prevent cholesterol buildup. Drinking 2 cups of green tea daily has been associated with significantly lower rates of heart disease in multiple population studies. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols that can actually help reverse arterial thickening. Studies have shown that people who drink pomegranate juice regularly experience improved blood flow and reduced arterial plaque over time. Beetroot juice provides natural nitrates that the body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Many people notice improved energy and stamina after adding beetroot juice to their routine. A turmeric latte made with coconut milk provides curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that protects against arterial damage. The combination of turmeric with a small amount of black pepper increases absorption significantly. Important guidelines for success. Timing matters with this morning drink. Taking it on an empty stomach allows for maximum absorption of the beneficial compounds. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast to give your body time to process these nutrients effectively. Consistency is absolutely critical. Unlike pharmaceutical medications that work immediately, natural compounds need time to build up in your system and create lasting changes. Plan to drink this mixture every morning for at least 3 months before evaluating results. Quality ingredients make a significant difference. Use only extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic cloves, freshly squeezed lemon juice, pure cayenne pepper, and raw, unprocessed honey. Processed or low-quality versions of these ingredients won't provide the same benefits. What to expect and when? Most people notice their first changes within 2 to 3 weeks. This might include better energy levels, improved sleep quality, or less shortness of breath during physical activity. More significant changes in blood pressure and cholesterol levels typically become apparent after 6 to 8 weeks of consistent use. Some people experience mild detox symptoms during the first week, such as slight headaches or changes in digestion. This is normal as your body begins processing and eliminating accumulated toxins. These symptoms typically resolve quickly as your body adjusts. Combining with lifestyle changes, this morning drink works best when combined with other heart-healthy lifestyle choices. Regular physical activity, even just 30 minutes of walking daily, significantly enhances the benefits. A diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins provides additional compounds that support arterial health. Stress management is equally important. Chronic stress contributes to arterial inflammation and plaque buildup. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or enjoyable hobbies can significantly improve cardiovascular outcomes. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate blood vessels. Aiming for 7 to 8 hours of restorative sleep each night enhances the effectiveness of any natural health regimen. Safety considerations and medical supervision. While these natural ingredients are generally safe for most people, there are important considerations to keep in mind. Garlic can interact with blood-thinning medications, potentially increasing bleeding risk. If you take warfarin, aspirin, or other anticoagulants, discuss this drink with your doctor before starting. People with gastroesophageal reflux disease might find the combination of garlic, lemon, and cayenne irritating to their digestive system. Starting with smaller amounts and gradually increasing can help minimize discomfort. Those with diabetes should monitor blood sugar levels closely when adding honey to their routine, even though raw honey has a lower glycemic impact than processed sugars. Never use this, or any natural remedy, as a replacement for prescribed medications without your doctor's supervision. This morning drink is meant to complement, not replace, proper medical care for cardiovascular conditions. The long-term vision. Think of this morning drink as an investment in your future self. Every day, you choose to nourish your arteries with these powerful compounds. You're taking a step toward maintaining independence, energy, and quality of life as you age. Cardiovascular disease doesn't have to be an inevitable part of aging. While genetics play a role, lifestyle choices have an enormous impact on how our arteries age. This simple morning ritual, combined with other healthy choices, can help you maintain strong cardiovascular health well into your later years. The morning artery cleansing drink I've shared today represents more than just a health trend. It's a scientifically backed approach to supporting cardiovascular health using ingredients that have been studied and proven effective. The combination of olive oil, garlic, lemon, cayenne, and honey works synergistically to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support natural arterial cleaning processes. Remember Margaret from our opening story? 6 months after starting this morning routine, her doctor was amazed by her improved cardiovascular markers. Her blood pressure had normalized, her cholesterol profile had improved, and most importantly, she felt energetic and confident about her health future. The key to success is consistency and patience. Natural healing takes time, but the results can be transformative when you stick with proven approaches. Start tomorrow morning with this powerful drink and begin your journey toward cleaner arteries and better heart health. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more natural health solutions. Share this video with anyone over 60 who could benefit from this knowledge. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're going to try this morning drink and what results you experience. Remember, the best time to start taking care of your heart was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Your arteries and your future self will thank you for taking this important step toward better cardiovascular health.